Hi everyone, here is episode 5 of the weekly expert live classes. For the week of February 7 to 13, 2022, the live classes topics include the best keyword research tool known as Jaaxy, how to plan and record your videos easily like a YouTube pro, how to find your target audience and grow your following in Instagram, and how to prep your Facebook group for success. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. I've always mentioned in my videos the huge library of training you will get at Wealthy Affiliate. In addition, you get many powerful features and tools to help you with your online business. One of the awesome tools is Jaaxy. It is one of the best keyword research tools available. It is a simple and effective tool for finding keywords that your potential audience is using. In this live class, expert trainer Jay will be walking you through Jaaxy and how you can use it to your advantage. To watch this live class, you need to be a premium member. At the same time, some of these classes are also available for the free starter members. So to get all the valuable training, go to the video description below and click on the link to join Wealthy Affiliate. Most people don't do YouTube videos due to some level of fear. They think it is difficult to do. In this live class by Roop, a successful YouTuber, he will show you how to record your YouTube videos as easily as possible. He will also show you how to plan your videos for the right audience and the 3 powerful ways to plan and execute videos effectively. Learning how to grow your following the right way is the key to mastering Instagram. In this live class, Eric will show you how to target the most engaged followers on the platform and where to find them. In this live class, Benji's dad will show you a couple of hacks that will fast-track the growth of your Facebook group. Once again, Wealthy Affiliate adds more valuable training to their huge library of courses. This is in addition to the 2 core courses that can help you start and grow an online business. This week, to me, the most exciting and valuable live class is the one by Roop. He's a well-known YouTuber who has over 100,000 subscribers. Almost every one of his videos has over 100,000 views too. So you know that he has so much to teach you on how to succeed with YouTube. His live class definitely adds to the 2 core courses, and there are thousands of them. They cover a wide range of topics such as business, web hosting, email marketing, video marketing, and more. And this is why I find Wealthy Affiliate so worth it. And so do many of my peers and even university professors. So go join at least as a premium member. Go to the video description below, click on the link there now. Do you have any questions about the topic in this video? That is, the live classes about best keyword research tool, record videos like YouTube Pro and all the others? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.